This is the user guide for the System menu. To enter the Settings menu, press any button except the Confirm button to turn on the LCD. Once the LCD is on, press the Setting button to enter the menu. We will go through the configuration options for each function. All settings can be configured using the Up, Down, Confirm, and Back buttons. The System setting includes the following items. Before we jump into the setup, there are a few important things to keep in mind. Please do not perform the following actions during product formatting or booting. Please be sure not to forcibly cut off the power, such as unplugging the power cable or removing the cradle. Also, please be sure not to remove the SD card. Such actions may cause system errors or prevent settings from being saved properly. To shut down the device safely, all operations should be completed, and use the power switch to turn off before disconnecting the power cable or cradle. If the SD card is being formatted or the device is performing critical internal tasks, the power will shut off only after the process is completed, even if the power switch is turned off. Speaker volume. This controls the sound level output from the device. You may set the desired sound level. If you select Off, all alert sounds from the device will be disabled. Alert. This includes Voice Alert, Event Alert Tone, and LED. When Voice Alert is on, all voice alerts are enabled.
Display on. Driving recordings paused.
When Voice Alert is off, all voice alerts are disabled. When Event Alert is on, the buzzer sound will notify you when an impact is detected. When Event Alert is off, no buzzer sound will be played even if an impact is detected. LED settings controls the security and status LED on the main unit. Once you select the menu, it will give you three options like this. Through Security LED, you can check the operating status of your dashcam. When Security LED is off, it is turned off. Through Status LED under the LCD screen, you can check the status of your dashcam. When Status LED is off, it is turned off. When Off All LEDs in parking mode is activated, all LEDs will remain off when your dashcam is in parking mode. Date and time. You may use this menu to change date, time zone, and daylight saving time after the initial setup. Through the Date menu, you can choose the format how the date is displayed. The date is automatically set based on the built-in GPS and applied to both the live view and the date stamp of saved videos. Through the Time Zone menu, you can select your desired time zone. Like the date, the time zone is automatically set based on the built-in GPS and applied to both the live view and the date stamp of saved videos. Through the Daylight Saving Time menu, you can choose whether to move the time forward by 1 hour from the current time zone. Turn this on if daylight saving time is needed, and be sure to manually turn it off once daylight saving time ends. Memory allocation. This allows you to choose how much storage space is allocated for each recording type. If you want to change this after the initial setup, select your desired option here. Since this requires resetting the recording file system, the SD card will be formatted, so please make sure to back up your footage before configuring this setting. LCD off. This setting controls whether the device's LCD screen turns off automatically or enters a screensaver mode. When you choose Always On, the LCD screen will remain on continuously while the device is operating. When you choose 30 seconds or 1 minute, the LCD screen will automatically turn off after the selected duration of time. When you choose Clock on LCD, the LCD screen will automatically switch to clock mode after a certain time. This is how clock mode looks like. Even if LCD is set to Always On or clock mode, it may automatically turn off if the external temperature becomes too high. Speed unit. You can choose the unit of speed with this. You may select either kilometers per hour or miles per hour. Stamp. In this setting, you can customize the information stamped at the bottom of your recorded footage. You can also choose whether to show the VUEROID watermark in the top left corner and select the text color for the data overlay. Please note that the VUEROID watermark will always appear in white, regardless of your text color settings. Feel free to turn these overlays on or off and set the text color exactly how you want it. Also, these settings only apply to your saved video files. They won't change the information displayed on your dashcam's LCD live view. Wi-Fi. You can set the Wi-Fi bandwidth based on your mobile device. Choose either 2.4 GHz or 5.0 GHz as desired. System information. Through this, you can check the device model name, firmware version, SD card information, SSID, and current GPS signal status. You may check the current GPS signal status on the next page using down or up button. SD card format. If you want to delete all files on the SD card, use this menu. Initialization. You may reset your device using this, and it provides two options. If you choose Initialize, only the device will be reset, and your saved footage and other data will remain intact. If you choose Factory Reset, all settings, data, and saved footage will be deleted and the device will return to its factory default state. App download. You can check the QR code that links to the VUEROID Hub app download page. Scan the QR code with your mobile phone to easily download the app. Set password. This allows you to set a password to access the device and mobile app settings. Once you choose to activate this, it will ask you to set your password. Once the password is set, you'll need to enter it whenever to try to access the settings menu on the device. You'll also need to enter the password when enabling Wi-Fi in order to connect the app to the device. After setting the password, Change Password menu will appear below Set Password. If you want to change your password, use this menu. Please be careful not to forget the password. If you need to reset it, please contact VUEROID CS team. Language. If you want to change the language settings after the initial setup, use this menu to change it. Now you're all set with the system settings. Adjust them to your preference and enjoy a smarter user experience.